Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen and webcam simultaneously using OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, you'll see your main interface with various panels and controls. This is where all your recording magic happens, and we'll be setting up both your screen capture and webcam feed here. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where you'll add all the different elements you want to include in your recording. Click on the plus icon to reveal a list of source options. From this list, select Display Capture. This option allows OBS to capture everything that's happening on your monitor, making it perfect for screen recordings. A new window will appear asking you to name your display capture. Go ahead and type in a descriptive name such as monitor, then click OK to proceed. This helps you stay organized, especially when you're working with multiple sources in your project. Next, you'll see another window with various settings for your display capture. Look for the option labeled Display, and right beside it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select your preferred display monitor from the list. This is particularly useful if you're using multiple monitors and want to record a specific one. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm. At this point, your screen capture should appear in the main preview window. If needed, you can resize it by clicking on the red outline and dragging the corners to adjust the dimensions. This gives you full control over how your screen capture appears in the final recording. Now it's time to add your webcam feed. Head back to the Sources panel in the bottom left corner and click the plus icon again. This time, select Video Capture Device from the menu. This option lets you add your webcam as a video source in your recording. A naming window will pop up. Enter a descriptive name such as webcam, then click OK. Just like before, naming your sources properly keeps everything organized and easy to manage. In the next window, look for the device drop-down menu at the top. Click on it and choose your webcam from the available options. This tells OBS which camera to use for your recording. After selecting your webcam, click OK to add it to your sources. Your webcam feed should now appear in the preview window. You can resize it by dragging the corners, making it larger or smaller depending on your preference. Once you've adjusted the size, drag the webcam feed to your preferred position on the screen. This allows you to place it exactly where you want it to appear in your final recording. When you're satisfied with your setup and ready to start recording, look at the right panel of the OBS interface. Click on Start Recording to begin capturing your screen and webcam simultaneously. OBS will now record everything within your configured sources. When you're finished and want to stop the recording, simply navigate back to the right panel and click Stop Recording. Your video file will be saved automatically to your designated output folder. And that's it, you've successfully set up OBS to record both your computer screen and webcam at the same time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.